On page 2.6 and 2.7, we are going to look at simplifying expressions again. So we have combined like terms and we have distributed, and now we're going to put those two things together. So we're going to start by reviewing combining like terms and distributing. So we're going to go through the odd ones. So number one, we have 10x minus 16x, which gives us negative 16x, or negative 6x. Number three, we have 5w plus 7w, which would be 12w. And then negative 6 minus 8 is a negative 14. So 12w minus 14. Again, you do not put a plus negative. That will not be allowed. You need to make sure you just make that a minus sign. So find the ones that match and put them together with addition or subtraction. Simplifying is multiplication. So 8 times x is just 8x. 8 times 5 is 40. So 8x plus 40. Number 7, 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times a minus x is minus 7x. So when we put those two things together, if you look down at number 1, we've got parentheses, and then we have things that are not in parentheses. So when things are completely simplified, how you will know that you are finished is there can be no like terms that you need to combine. So an algebraic expression in the simplest form is in simplest form when it has no like terms. It also cannot have parentheses. So, and no parentheses. When you simplify, you actually have to get rid of the parentheses first. And the way you do that is to distribute. So your first step is to distribute in order to get rid of the parentheses, and that means you multiply. The second thing then is to combine your like terms. And that you do by adding or subtracting. So order of operations says you have to multiply before you add or subtract, so that's why we have to distribute first, because distributing is multiplying. So all of these are going to have two steps to them. So if we look at number 1, our first step is to distribute the 3. So 3 times x is 3x, and then minus 15. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Then bring down the plus 8x and the plus 1. Those just come back down. Now we can combine our like terms. 3x plus 8x is 11x. Negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14. So 11x minus 14. So again, if you say negative, when you put numbers together, you put a minus sign. Otherwise, it's a plus sign. Number 3, first we distribute the negative 7. Negative 7w minus 28. Then bring down the plus 2w and the minus 15. So negative 7w plus 2w would give us negative 5w. Again, we like to write our variables first. Negative 28 minus 15 gives us minus 43. Negative 5w minus 43. Number 5, first we distribute 6r minus 12 minus, I'm going to put 1r plus 26 minus 7r. So just rewriting those in after you distribute. So we have 6r minus 1r minus 7r. That gives us negative 2r. And then we have negative 12 plus 26 gives us positive 14. So negative 2r plus 14. If you have 14 minus 2r, that's fine. We just usually like to write our variables first. Number 7 is a tricky one. Most people put these two numbers together to get negative 8 and then distribute negative 8. That is very, very wrong. Remember, we wrote step 1 has to be to distribute. You have to multiply before you add or subtract. So when you see a problem like this, you have to multiply first. So the negative 13 just comes down. Then we distribute the 5. So plus 5y plus 10. And then bring down the minus 8. So 5y is on its own. Negative 13 plus 10 minus 8 gives us negative 11. So 5y minus 11. Number 9, it looks like you're not distributing anything, but you need to put a 1 in front of there. So 18, and then you're distributing a negative 1. So minus 7v minus 1. So negative 7v is on its own. 18 minus 1 gives us plus 17. Number 11 is like number 7. You do not do 1 minus 9. You bring the 1 down, then you distribute negative 9. So minus 18n minus 27. And then bring down the minus 7n. So negative 18 minus 7 gives us negative 25n. 1 minus 27 gives us negative 26. So negative 25n minus 26. And 13, first we distribute the 8, so 16k minus 56. Then you have to see that you are distributing negative 4. So that's minus 4k minus 20. 16 minus 4 would give us 12k. Negative 56 minus 20 would give us minus 76. 12k minus 76.